Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy pudding. Start by choosing a base like Greek yogurt, silken tofu, or mashed avocado for creaminess. Then pick a natural sweetener and mix in flavorings like cocoa, vanilla, or fruit puree. Fold in chia seeds or ground nuts for texture and healthy fats. Chill for at least 30 minutes to set and serve with fresh fruit or a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra warmth and flavor. Choosing the right ingredients makes a huge difference in both taste and nutrition. Opt for protein-packed bases like Greek yogurt or silken tofu to keep you full longer. Sweeten gently with mashed banana, honey, or a touch of maple syrup rather than refined sugar. Boost fiber and texture using chia seeds, ground oats, or fruit purees. Finish with spices like cinnamon or cocoa for flavor without extra calories. And always, here are easy recipes you can adapt in minutes without special tools. For chocolate chia pudding, mix cocoa, milk, chia seeds, and a touch of sweetener, then chill until thick. Avocado pudding combines ripe avocado, cocoa, and honey for a silky vegan treat. For a lighter option, layer Greek yogurt with fruit puree and toasted nuts to create contrast in texture. Each version allows swaps for dairy-free milks or sweetener preferences to suit your diet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.